Hello, my name is Owen Leese and I'm the Thematic Learning Coordinator at Haileybury Almaty. I wanted to talk to you about the way that each thematic lesson is compiled. Each unit of thematic learning follows a theme such as
Mission to Mars,
the Kingdom of Benin, tropical rainforest, live and let live,
living things and their habitats.
Who am I?
Each new thematic unit starts with an entry point. This is an opportunity to hook children into the topic and assess any prior knowledge that they might have in an investigative and explorative way.
In reception, our theme is all about me. The children explore their identity by learning about their unique traits and feelings. They develop important communication skills as they share their thoughts and experiences with classmates, fostering connections and friendships. This theme also promotes an appreciation for diversity, helping them recognise and celebrate both their similarities and differences with others. For example, in their appearance and their family.
In Year 1, we have been looking at the theme, Who am I? We've been looking at our body parts and using the correct vocabulary to name each body part. We've then discussed the senses that are associated with each body part. In geography, we've been using maps and atlases to find where we live. We've looked at our city, our country, and our continent. In history, we've been making personal timelines and ordering the special events in our life from the oldest event to the newest event.
In Year 2, we are studying the topic of live and let live. We're learning about different habitats around the world, what they are, why they're important, and how we can help to protect them. We will also investigate the importance of food chains, what living things need to survive, and animal adaptations. We will be developing skills in drawing and labelling diagrams, comparing living things, and sorting and classifying items into different groups.
Here at Haileybury Almaty, Year 3 have been learning about the fascinating world of rainforests through geographical and scientific exploration with hands-on learning. Using atlases, students have been identifying where in the world the major rainforests are. We've also been examining how plants and animals have adapted to thrive in their natural habitat. Exploring the 4 layers of the rainforests have helped students and able to understand how this supports each animal and plant to thrive within that particular layer. Through observation and inquiry, we are building on students' understanding of this fascinating ecosystem to spark the curiosity of our students here at Haileybury Almaty.
Hello, in Year 4 we've had an amazing half term in our thematic studies. We've studied living things and their habitats. The children have discovered and learned what a habitat is and how animals fit in and adjust to the habitats that they live in. We've looked at how we can group and classify animals with classification keys, and we've also studied how, as human beings, we can damage our planet and the things as individuals we can do to improve the place that we live in.
In Year 5, we've given the children a mission. It's a mission to build a base on Mars. It's all part of our Earth and space topic. In it, we've been sequencing the history of space exploration and exploring why Mars makes an ideal planet for habitation by comparing it to Earth and the other planets in our solar system. Additionally, we've been plotting routes on maps of Mars for our Mars rovers. We've been designing bases and debating which jobs and skills will be the most important in our new home.
In Year 6, we study the Kingdom of Benin, which allows children to think critically and answer a series of inquiry questions that allow them to develop their history and geography skills. They explore the kingdom's origins from over 1,000 years ago, right up until 1897, when the kingdom was ultimately defeated by the British. Pupils analyse sources, look at, explore and develop maps, build historical arguments, and ultimately debate the key question: should the Benin bronzes be returned back to Benin? Thematic learning allows children to develop their history and geography skills, as well as their oracy skills, in a meaningful way that gives children context to their learning and allows them to make connections between different topics and other areas of their lives.